Hi guys, welcome to Scribbles from Emily. I'm Emily, and today I'm going to show you how I made the super simple spring wreath. I'm waking up with the DIY Mommy's spring decor and DIY challenge, and I will put the playlist for all of the other videos for the other YouTubers who are participating in the description below. So to make this wreath, you'll need an embroidery hoop. I picked mine up at the thrift store a while back. You'll really just need the inside circle, but either one will work. And then you'll need some flowers and greenery. You can cut apart your greenery stems like I'm doing here. Trim down any flowers that you need to make smaller. Really, I like to keep it pretty simple. Start with your base, the longer pieces of greenery that are going to be in the back, and just kind of play around with the arrangement. And then you're going to take the floral tape and wrap it around the stem to attach it to the hoop. And then repeat with your other stems. Once your greenery is secure, start placing your flowers to figure out how you want to arrange them on your wreath. Putting some smaller filler flowers in first. I think that looks good. So I'm going to attach it again with the floral tape, just wrapping it around. Make sure it's nice and secure. And there we go. Now to secure the rose in the middle, I ended up using hot glue for that. So apply a generous amount on the back and then stick it on where you want the main flower to be, right in the center. Really, you could hot glue all the pieces on. I just liked using the floral tape because it looks nice and neat. Now I'm taking some ribbon and I'm going to use this to make a bow at the top for hanging it. And here's where I really struggled to tie a good bow. I think I tried 3 or 4 times before I finally had one that I thought was okay. And here's your final wreath. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe so you don't miss my next one. Thanks so much for watching.